Welcome everyone, Joe with ECRM here at our beauty sessions in Chicago, and with me is Mayo from NIQ, who gave a great presentation earlier on beauty trends. And one of the things she talked about is something that I can relate to really personally, being somebody in New York City, is the impact of theft protection devices on the category. Because like here in Chicago or where I live in New York, everything is locked up. So thanks for joining us. And to start off, how are these devices impacting sales of beauty products in particular?
Yeah, well, I'll say I live in Connecticut and we've got plenty of stuff locked up as well. So it's not just a big city issue. But yeah, we have been seeing this impact over the year. We've been hearing a lot of our clients talk about it. So we recently put together a survey to really try and understand like how much is this actually impacting the category. So we did find that about 20% of sales are being lost due to theft control measures. And so this is because people don't want to wait for something to be unlocked, or they can't even find a person to help them. So a variety of reasons, but it really is impacting the in-store experience.
Yeah, I mean, certainly for me, when they first started doing it, I mean, there's one major drug chain by me that's basically everything is locked up, from beauty to personal care to even beverages and water and sports drinks, and you go into the OTC. So, and for me, it was really frustrating. However, one thing I have noticed is that they are getting a little better and more responsive. And when you hit the button to call and it says, help, customer service needed in aisle 24, they're a lot faster in getting to it than initially. So that has definitely changed. That wait time is important. How long will a shopper wait before leaving?
Yeah, we found that shoppers were willing to wait 2 to 3 minutes, which actually was a little bit higher than I thought. But yeah, I mean, I agree with you. It is tricky. It really hampers the experience. I have heard, CVS is releasing some new app where you can actually unlock it yourself if you have the app, so they can know who's searching it. So I think we might see some more innovations like that coming into the space. But obviously, theft is a huge problem for retailers, and they have to protect their inventory.
Yeah.
But figuring out the way to do that without hampering the customer experience is always a challenge.
Well, that 2 to 3 minutes is interesting because I wouldn't wait that long. And they've been getting to me faster. They would pretty much, someone would be to my section when I ring that buzzer within 30 seconds to a minute. I mean, they're pretty responsive now. In the past, you would just wait and wait and wait. So I don't know whether they've added more people or they're just so used to it now that they just jump and go. So long term, when this happens, when someone experiences this, does it impact their future store visits, or does it push more consumers to shop online instead?
Yep, absolutely. So we're seeing that it makes about 43% of consumers less likely to visit the store in the future, which is, again, is an enormous number. We're seeing these dynamics where people are even at the shelf in the store, the product's locked up, they just pull out their phone and order on Amazon, right? So a lot of this is contributing to the growth that we're seeing on Amazon as well.
Gotcha. I'm curious, and I'm not sure if this is something you track, but like the difference between like mom and pop shops and the large chains, right? Because by me, the large chains are all locked up, but you have a small independent beauty store, they're not. So I wonder if people are going there, to those types of places as well as online. I'm just curious.
It's different in every city you're going to be in, even in every store. So the stores are looking at which products are more likely to be stolen, and that is what they're choosing to lock up. So you can even be at, in 5 different drugstores across New York City, and what is locked up might be different. So it makes it tougher for brick and mortar. Already they have more, sales are going to online already, and then this just exacerbates the issue. So hopefully in the coming months or years, they can leverage technology to, like you talked about with the app, to kind of solve that problem. So awesome. Well, thank you very much, and thank you for your presentation as well. Thank you.
Bye.